Veg Manchurian, an easy and delicious homemade Chinese dish. Veg Manchurian is a popular Indo-Chinese recipe that consists of vegetable dumplings in a spicy sauce. It is perfect as an appetizer or main course and can be enjoyed by both vegetarians and non-vegetarians. So let's get started. Ingredients. For the dumplings. 1. 1 cup cabbage, finely chopped. 2. 1/2 cup carrots, grated. 3. 1/4 cup spring onions, chopped. 4. 1/4 cup all-purpose flour. 5. 1/4 cup corn flour. 6. 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. 7. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 8. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. 9. Water, as needed. 10. Oil, for deep frying. For the sauce. 1. 2 tablespoons oil. 2. 1 tablespoon garlic, chopped. 3. 1 tablespoon ginger, chopped. 4. 1 onion, sliced. 5. 1 capsicum, sliced. 6. 1 green chili, chopped. 7. 2 tablespoons soy sauce. 8. 1 tablespoon chili sauce. 9. 1 tablespoon tomato ketchup. 10. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 11. 1/2 teaspoon black pepper. 12. 1/2 teaspoon sugar. 13. 1 cup water. 14. 2 tablespoons corn flour, mixed with water. Instructions. In a mixing bowl, add chopped cabbage, grated carrots, chopped spring onions, all-purpose flour, corn flour, ginger garlic paste, salt, black pepper, and water as needed. Mix well to form a dough-like mixture. Divide the mixture into small balls and shape them into dumplings. Heat oil in a pan or wok over medium-high heat. Deep fry the dumplings until golden brown and crispy. Remove from the pan and set aside. In the same pan, add oil, chopped garlic, chopped ginger, sliced onions, sliced capsicum, and chopped green chili. Stir fry for 2 to 3 minutes until the vegetables are slightly tender. Add soy sauce, chili sauce, tomato ketchup, salt, black pepper, sugar, and water. Mix well and bring to a boil. Add the corn flour mixture and stir well until the sauce thickens. Add the fried dumplings to the sauce and mix well to coat the dumplings evenly with the sauce. Garnish with chopped spring onions and serve hot. Conclusion. And there you have it, a delicious veg Manchurian recipe that is easy to make and perfect for any occasion. This dish is packed with flavor and is sure to be a hit with your family and friends. Serve it as an appetizer or main course with steamed rice or noodles, and watch it disappear in no time. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoy making and savoring this dish.